everyone, so today I am doing my BOXYCHARM unboxing. This is the month of November and I'm super excited to crack on in here. I've seen a couple other unboxings and I think it's going to be a pretty good month. And I'm just going to jump on into it kind of quick. So if you guys are new, hey, my name's Liz. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Also ring your guys' notification bell so you guys are notified for my future videos. Oh, one thing that I wanted to mention really quick is I'm going to start doing, YouTube has started doing this premiere option for videos, so you can schedule it in advance and then have it like basically premiere where everybody can go on and watch the videos and chat. There's a little like chat room to the side and I can be on there and chat with you guys. So if you ever want to do that, definitely click that notification bell so that you guys are notified for when I'm going to premiere my videos, and it will also notify you guys in advance and you guys can see when my video will go live. So then you can go on there and we can all chit chat and have a good time before my video starts. So if you want to do that, I think that's what I'm going to start doing in the future. I've done it a couple times so far and I actually really like it. I think it's a cool feature. So anyways, if you guys want to see me unbox the BOXYCHARM box, then just keep watching. Okay, so if you guys don't know what BOXYCHARM is, it's a $21 a month subscription service. It sends you 4 to 5 full-size items. BOXYCHARM tends to be very makeup heavy, so you do get a lot of makeup in here, but then you also get other beauty items, hair care, skin care, things like that, accessories, brushes. This is actually one of my favorite boxes. I really like this. I feel like you get a lot of bang for your buck when it comes to this. The value is typically always over $100, so you're only spending 21 bucks and getting over $100 worth of products. So I think that's really awesome. So today I thought I would try on the items for you guys. I feel like that can give you a pretty good idea of the quality of the items that we're getting as well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open this on up. So every month you get a little pamphlet in here. It has all the items that you're going to be getting and the prices of everything, and then it also has a theme. So this month's theme is Gold Digger, and then like I said, all your items on the inside. So let's go ahead and jump right on into the box. So I'm just going to pull this first thing out, and this is the JonteBlu. I don't know if I say that right, but it is a glittering star eyeliner. And it is in black. So I feel like in subscription boxes, we get a lot of black eyeliners, which is fine. I feel like, I don't know, I'm never gonna run out of eyeliners with how many I get. But I kind of feel like if you're gonna put an eyeliner in your subscription box, maybe like switch up the colors, put a different color in there besides just black every single time. But I mean, this is gold and it goes with the theme, so cute packaging, but I want to see, it's gonna take me forever to get the dang plastic off of this thing. How long? Let's just count how many times this is gonna rip and how long it's gonna take for me to get it. There we go. Okay, so it's just a wooden pencil and it looks like it has like silver sparkles in it. So yeah, it does have silver sparkles in it. I don't know how well you can tell right there, which is cute. It is just, like I said, a wood pencil, so I don't really use wood pencils a whole lot, but I will give this a try and see how I like it. So the retail value for the eyeliner is $5. And the next thing I'm going to pull out, this is a Luxie Premium Synthetic Handcrafted Brushes. These are the Luminous Eye Set. Struggling today on opening things. Alright, so these are what the brushes look like. They are super cute. A lot of glittery gold going on. So it looks like everything is pretty like defined, very defined brushes. So I feel like this is a good little pencil brush for like underneath the eyes, on your lower lash line. This is called the mini flat angled brush. I don't know what you could do with this. Maybe some contouring with your nose. This is the mini angled brush. I don't know how I feel about these brushes. What do you guys use them for? I mean, I feel like you could put them in your crease, but I don't know if that would work well. I feel like I've tried angled brushes in the crease and it's just like not my cup of tea. I just struggle with it for whatever reason, but I guess you could use this for contouring too. I don't know. And then this is a mini tapered brush. So this is just a good fluffy brush, probably for in your crease or doing some detailed work. So these are pretty cute. I do like getting brushes and I do like Luxie brushes. So These retail for $21. And the next thing I'm gonna pull out, this is the Lashaholic Luxury Lashes, and they look like this. They are in the style, oh, Instaglam. So they are pretty cute, and I do like the case that it comes in. I do like lashes that come in these cases, just nice for holding them in there, I guess. They do feel really nice, so that's nice. They are like different lengths. I don't know how well you can tell, but they are, some of the lashes are longer, and then you have other parts that are shorter. So we'll have to see how that goes. And these retail for $14.99. And another thing that we got, these are the Cover FX glitter drops. I got mine in the shade Nova. So this is pretty. It is, I don't know, like a champagne gold kind of color. I can see some like silver reflex in there. These do retail for $44. I don't think I'm going to open this. I'm just not, I know that you could use this like mixing it with your foundation, or you can use it as like a highlight. For me personally, I've had these before. I've gotten sent these in, I think it was a BOXYCHARM like a year ago now. I was sent some of these and I just didn't like them. It was in a different shade. But I'm just not a huge fan of like the glittery look to your face, highlight, or anything else. So I think what I'm going to do is pass these along, not open them, so that somebody else who does like them can use them. Just for me personally, I know that they're just going to sit in my drawer. I'm never going to use them. So I don't want to waste product that I'm not going to use. So I am going to set this aside. I'm not going to use it today for today's video. It's just not my cup of tea. And the last thing that we got in here, which I'm actually really excited about, I've seen the spoilers for this, and I think it's super, super pretty. So this is the Beaute. I don't know, it's got the little like thing above the E, so I don't know how to say it. This is the Grandiose Palette. I probably said that wrong too, but man, I'm not gonna be able to get it out of its package. But this retails for $24.99. If I can get it out of, why can't I open anything today? I'm struggling. This was like super tight on there. Anyways, so this is what the palette looks like. I think it's really, really pretty. Honestly, this is like my kind of colors. The peachy brown with some gold and a dark burgundy. I just really enjoy these kind of colors. I wish that I had a mirror though, because it's just so much nicer to be able to do your eyeshadow with a mirror right there. I do think this is really gorgeous, so I'm super excited to jump in here today and play with this. So before I get started on the makeup, I'm gonna go ahead and add everything together. Okay, so if I did that right, my math comes out to $109.98, which is pretty dang good considering I only paid $21 for it. I feel like in months past, we were getting like close to $200 worth of product in here. I don't know if it's dropped down because they started doing BOXYLUXE or not. I don't know. I would hope that isn't the case, but I could kind of see where that would happen. So it's not bad at all, again, considering I only paid $21, but I have noticed that the MSRP has gone down since BOXYLUXE has started up. All that being said, I'm gonna jump right on into the eyeshadow palette today. So with the eyeshadow palette, I'm just gonna kind of run through and do a look. I'm not gonna talk through it or anything like that. I'm just gonna point to the shades and do it so that, you know, this video isn't super, super long. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get started with that. Okay, so there is the eyeshadow, you guys. I didn't use any kind of setting spray with this gold shade right here, the Jasmine Shimmery shade. That went on with a dry brush, and I think it looks pretty darn good. I like this palette a lot, actually. I feel like this is one palette that I've gotten from BOXYCHARM that I really, really love. I feel like lately they've been doing a lot of collaborations with Pure, and I don't typically like those palettes, so this one I'm super, super pleasantly surprised with, and I can see myself going back to this palette multiple times and using it. I also feel like it's a really pretty holiday palette. Christmas and Thanksgiving, I'll definitely be bringing this bad boy out and creating some fun looks with it, especially with this gold color. I'm really, really excited for it. So I'm loving this eyeshadow, so I'm going to move on to the eyeliner. I'm basically just going to use this to tightline with, and I may drag it onto my waterline, but I'm not totally sure yet. But that's just what I'm going to do. I feel like these pencils are really, really stabby, so we'll see. Okay, so that went on pretty easy. It is a little pokey, a little stabby, but it's really not too bad. I feel like it's probably not gonna last a very long time. Like, I can already kind of see it like coming off my waterline, so it's whatever. I don't know, it's a black eyeliner. Okay, so the next thing are these lashes. I am going to go ahead and put on some mascara. I'm going to do the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara, and then I'm going to pop these on. So I'm just going to do that off camera because this will probably take me a little while. I'm not the best when it comes to false lashes. I'm still practicing with them. It still takes me a little bit of time to get them on, so with that being said, I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, I'm all done putting the lashes on, and I actually really, really like these ones. I feel like they're just, I don't know, fluttery and cute, and I really like them. I feel like they're not like super bold or crazy. I just think that they look good. So I'm just really quick going to put on some lipstick. This is the ColourPop Ariel one. This is from the Disney collection. And then I'm just gonna throw on some Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. Okay, that's everything. You guys, I'm actually really excited about this box this month. I love the eyeshadow palette. I love these lashes. The liner is just okay, it's just whatever. It's just another liner. I don't know how much use I'll get out of it because I have so many eyeliners, especially so many black eyeliners. The glitter drops, obviously, again, I'm gonna give those away. Oh, the brushes I think are really cute and really nice. Again, they're just some detailed brushes, but I do actually really like them. I feel like this brush worked really well, and then I really liked this brush for on the lower lash line is more of a pencil brush, so I'm happy about those. So you guys, I'm actually really happy about this box. I feel like there's been a couple boxes in the past couple months that I've just kind of been whatever about. They haven't been my favorite. But this one I'm actually really excited for. So let me know what your guys' thoughts are in the comments down below. Do you guys have this box, and did you get anything different than I did? And how did you like it? If you've tried this eyeshadow palette, I want to hear your thoughts on it in the comments down below. And that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Definitely subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you next time. Bye!